He's here, bitches.
Who's here? Oh shit. Oh shit, the party man is here. The party man is here. What's up, dog? What's up, dog?
Don't waste that shit.
This is actually pretty good.
Yeah, I know, it's so good. Why the fuck did you waste it, you piece of shit? You fucking piece of shit. Your Budweiser hat's getting wet. It's gonna disintegrate in thin air, faggot. You little piece of shit. Got a thick ass, you gay bitch. Fuck you. Snaggletooth.
Why can't my dick fit in this?
Mine can't either, dude. It's too small to fit.
My hair blows up when I'm alone. Inside out, I might explode. I shut my eyes and my mouth and my legs just gave out. Why in the world would you hit me when I'm down? 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 I get lost in and out when you walk in and out. Turn my hair in and out. I get stomped in the ground. I'm down, but I'm down. I get lost in and out when you walk in and out. Turn my hair in and out. I get stomped in the ground. I'm down, but I'm down. When I'm down, but I'm down.
Stop! Yeah, that's right, scared. Scared, fuckhead. Little shit.
Oh shit, it's a disco. Hey, we should have went to the
No,
shag
we should
dance.
start grooving.
Yo, why didn't we go to the shag dance? Oh shit! It's a squealer.
Oh, that the pussy was. What the fuck is wrong with me? Oh! Oh! No, box blew up! The whole fucking box blew up! I thought that was part of the show. I thought that was a part of the show. I didn't know.
You should just ghetto fireworks. Swear.
I'm down if you're down, there's no way around it. I'm down if you're down, there's no way around it. When I'm down, when I'm down, when I'm down, when I'm down.
Yo!
Say goodbye to that Kit Kat bar.
Alright, shit.
No, not mine, yours.
Why the fuck you offering?
I was just saying in general.
Break me up a piece of that Kit Kat, but
Bring me a piece of that Kit Kat bar.
hey.
I'm sorry, dog. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean it.
He fucking did. Why he look like a crocodile?
Fuck your
Cheers,
noggin
brothers.
raw with these facts.
Focus.
I can't.
Focus on me. Focus.
Why you sugar?
Hey, I got a Ford
Are
Focus.
you cold?
No.
One time.
Oh shit, really?
Fuck.
Damn. Yo, write that shit down.
Let's see how long Trey can be quiet.
Sorry.
Let's play a game where we just pretend he doesn't exist.
Hey yo, where the fuck's Trey at?
I just got hit by something. I don't know what. Scratch. So one time,
I say we use these as bad. Marble ball. You have your lid.
No.
I It doesn't fucking matter.
Yes,
just
it
throw it.
does. No.
Oh my god, he's such a baby.
Fuck you. I'm not a baby. I'm at least a little bitch.
Ride till I can't no more. Take my horse to the old town road and go. Ride till I can't no more. I got no horse.